What's up, everybody? It's your favorite chunky Dutch boy broadcasting to you from his mother's basement with a new lady unboxing right now. This is Kailani from Haptelle. Shout out to Lana from Haptelle. So the box has some dents and it has been transported on her side because when I was talking to the driver, the box was on the side itself, so like on one of these sides. You can probably also see on the camera that it has a couple of dents here and there. So let's open up the flap very carefully. I am of course standing on the wrong side, but that's okay. So let's do this first because I don't know how naked she is. I hope this is not the bottom. No, this is not the bottom, thankfully. With how it was shipped, or with how, not necessarily how it was shipped, but just how it came in. So this is actually very neatly packed. Haptelle is also very proud of the way they package things, which is of course good because one of the reasons why I do these unboxings is to show you what you get when you order a lady, in this case from Haptelle, and see how everything is packed and how you will get it at your doorstep. So we can see right here, there are 2 lumps of foam. So that's good to see. The neck, we need to check the neck out real quick. Yeah, it seems to be straight. So thankfully, I don't think there has been any bumps going on. We have the head at the foot area. We have a nice little box right here. Something else in the bag, and also which is very cool because she has been, there's been pictures made of her in a specific outfit, and that outfit is here, and it says exclusively for Rebel. So that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna pick you guys up and show you guys the layout of the land. The lay of the land, the layout of the box. All right, here we go. As you can see right here, very nicely packed. You can see the chest protruding a little bit, but it's been covered by a blankie. As you can see here, hopefully this seems to be good regarding the neck, so we still need to check that out when we get her out of the box. Then we have our outfit right here. Something special in here maybe, or that's just the accessories. A nice little Haptelle box that if I pick up, you can see the logo right here, which is pretty freaking cool in like gold. And then we have the lady right here, very nicely packed too, in between the legs, what you normally see, even from back in the day, with a face protecting shield and a little bit of foam for her eyes, which I think is also a very clever idea. This is also a bigger face shield, so you can't really clamp down on the chin. I can see that the face shield is going all the way down around her face, so it's 2-parter, so that's really nice too. And then the feet and of course the arms will be protected by foam and the painter's tape. Painter's tape is still the best tape that you can use for protecting, in my opinion, because it's easier to take off. If you use that see-through tape, you have 9 out of 10 times you have to use scissors if you want to get it out completely unscathed. So that's really nice. All right, so this cool little outfit, we can probably use that later for when we do a spin-turn video when she's on the spinning platform. So that's really cool. Oh, it's heavy. Let's see, what is this? Oh, I don't know if I can show this. This is, this is like a, I can't show this. So I'll have to blur this or either do something else with it. Maybe I can show it like this. It's a silicone mini butt with a entrance in there, so that's pretty funny. Like I said, I can't really show it. It's very soft and very wiggly. When I do this, you can see the belly button right here, so it's almost like a sort of a mini body silicone thing. So that's pretty funny. They threw that in, I think, for not necessarily a joke, but that they could show us that they know how to make other things as well. Oh, there's more stuff in there. There's a card in there for the moments in between. If you want to read more of the card, you need to order the Haptelle ladies. I'm gonna put that gently on her stomach and open this up real quick. There we go. Also neatly packed into this silver bag again. I can already see what it is, so we're gonna go over this real quickly if I can. So this is going to be the water bottle. We have a Pro Detangler, aka comb. We have a specific lingerie set, so that's really nice. We have a heating rod, which is probably going to be USB powered. Premium looking two cards, one with a QR code which says manual, care guide, warranty and support. And also thank you for choosing Haptelle, again with a whole bunch of text on there which you can check yourself if you buy a lovely lady from them. Trouble scanning, visit https and then of course the slashes and everything, haptelle.com/manual. So that's somewhere you can go to. And I see small jewelry, unique beauty only belong to the best of you. We have a very nice looking necklace with like a diamond in there. I hope you guys can see that. Pretty cool. So that's, yeah, you're being treated to the whole complete VIP experience thanks to Haptelle. And we also have our, nice, we have a twist and turn or a quick connect. This is what I want to say because the top part is threaded and the bottom part is not threaded, so you can just plop on the head. And here is one with the pivot turn adapter, so that's really nice too. She's completely closed, so you can see that there's some hair flinging out a little bit. That's probably because the box has been moved in transit. Alright, so I'm gonna gently take her out. Actually very nice that they put this double face shield around her, and also, as you can see, a foam block for the connector area, and of course the foam for her eyes that you could have seen in the previous clips. So here we go. Very nice sculpted head. Also a little bit heavy in the sense of that it feels like she's really well made. Now of course this isn't a ROS head, so the mouth will be closed, but she looks really pretty. Of course the hair is something that I still need to style, but she looks gorgeous. It's very nicely made, very natural makeup. I really like that. I'm not much of a fan of very heavy makeup, but like these little specks on her face and a little bit of coloration on her cheek, and then the very natural lipstick is actually really nice. Or maybe it's her original color, you don't know. Anyway, like I said, the build quality is excellent, so it seems. Hair is implanted, very nicely done as well. Eyelashes look very good too. So overall, a very nice, beautiful sculpted head from Haptelle. And I even see a braid right now. Pretty cool. All right, let's pump her up. Look at that jiggle. And the bikini outfit actually looks pretty good on her. You can see the head is tilting back a little bit. That's because of the violent shaking, but we're going to be sure she looks good when she's standing up. Bump her up a little bit more, and even then, when she's at the end, this is probably going to be the end, but look. Very nice. I'm a happy man. I like the jiggle. Alright, now that we have her on the operating table, like I said, we can go over features. So I'm going to pick you guys up and give you the grand tour. Alright, so we put the head on already, but I can remove the head in a couple when she's standing up, so I can show you the neck area. The neck area seemed to be completely unscathed, so I'm really happy with that. It seemed like the neck area was embedded into the bottom layer of that gray foam, which is the expanding foam. And the top area took a little bit of damage, I think, from shipping, but everything seemed to look very good. She looks pretty much immaculate in my opinion. Alright, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. So as you can see, one foot I bent over a little bit. And yeah, very realistic. Top looks very good. Very natural regarding the nails. Alright, here you can see the underside of the feet. Very realistic. Very nicely sculpted. Inside as well. Outside too. Alright, as you can see, beautiful. I'm not wearing my gloves. I know I washed my hands multiple times. I'm sweating my ass off because it's already very warm again here in the Netherlands. There's a couple of stray hairs here and there from a black wig. Probably from another model or from a blankie. The knuckles, very fluid. Very nice. This is again a company with the knuckles that just move very graciously. Don't feel weird or anything. There's a little bit of stuff in there embedded in silicone. Maybe I can get that out later. But yeah, very beautiful hands. Let's see what we have here. Sadly, not our favorite way of articulation. You can see the bottom of the arm is not moving with the silicone in the wrist. You have companies that do it this way, and you have companies that use this whole underarm area. If you turn the wrist, this will move with the silicone, and you will not get a crease or a disproportionate thing over here. But yeah, very nicely sculpted, looks very good. I think the other one is going to look good too. Move her arm up a little bit into the light. And very nice regarding how they sculpted it. And again, knuckles very easy to move. See, there you go. There's a twisting of the silicone a little bit. It's not that super apparent when you do it like this. Nicely sculpted in the bottom side as well. Now, just a quick overview of her legs and her body. As you can see, lots of veins in there. Not a ton where it's like super over exaggerated. There's a little bit of a dark spot here, like I said. But other than that, even in this lighting, she looks phenomenal. And then, of course, her lovely little face. She's enjoying it right now. I can probably, hopefully I can get away with this. They are soft. They don't jiggle that much as I would have hoped. I mean, I am a sucker for a very watery chest, but they do have a good jiggle when you get them out of the bikini. All right, and here we go. Here she is, completely assembled, standing up against the wall. Look at how gorgeous. She has such a pretty face. She has a very rocking chest. Very nice figure, hourglass figure, just like my wife. And also very nice regarding the body details around her stomach and her belly button, her knees. And then she is, of course, in the standard stuff that we always use. The unboxing bikini and specific shoes. So yeah, she is just, in my opinion, she's amazing. She's a tad heavy, but that's also because she's big. She's almost my size, actually, and I'm 180 centimeters, so 1 meter and 80 centimeters. But you know, she looks amazing, especially in this light. Let me show you how clean it looks from the top. Look at that. So it has the screw is protruding a little bit, which is good because that kind of mitigates a lot of stuff too regarding the silicone getting damaged. So if this ever were to plop into the side of the cardboard box or the foam, if it's too tight with the silicone wound up through or next to the bolt that's sticking out here, it could smush or crush a little bit of the silicone, which makes it a little bit more, well, ugly looking. But then again, when you plop on the head, it's not really that big of a deal. But yeah, it's a nice design. I think it's very clean. Her butt is soft, softer than I've sometimes felt with other companies, but it's not like jiggly like the chest. Now, I would like to see that because I think the chest and the butt area are, of course, the love-making places where people like so very much. So yeah, but the problem is with a gel butt, if it's in the box and it starts moving and people haven't packed that in securely, it might actually tear the silicone. So that's a dangerous part of the body regarding gel. But then again, if you can get away with it, it's really freaking cool. Look at those shoulder blades and the spine, very nicely sculpted. She looks very white in this light, but that's because the light that I'm using is also like a cold color, I think. You could do a warmer color, but it would be a lot different, I think. But we'll just leave it at this because this has been the lighting through the whole video. Veins, very nice caboose, looking very delicious. The skin detail is very nice too, look at that. Like she has a little bit of goosebumps, kind of. It's really nicely done in her neck area as well. So yeah, really nice looking Kailani from Haptelle. Shout out to Lana. Lots of L's and A's and N's. So this has been another unboxing by yours truly, Rebel Drifter. If you want to check out Kailani or all the other ladies at Haptelle, use Rebel 150. So that's R-E-B-E-L, Rebel 150, aka 150, for $150 discount off any full body lady from Haptelle. Go check them out right now at the website. Everything else you can find in the comment section or in the description below the video. Please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Check out more videos coming up. Stay tuned and have a great rest of your week. Shout out to Lana. Thank you very much. Peace.